Good morning, students. Once again, I Pramod sir welcomes you all in 8th standard maths period. So, students, in the first lesson, rational numbers. Yesterday we have seen the closure property, right, students? So, in a closure property, what we have seen that for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, the closure property stands for addition, stands for subtraction, stands for multiplication, but do not stand for division. We have seen this yesterday. Rational number plus rational number is rational number. So for addition it stands. Rational number minus rational number is equal to also rational number. So it stands for subtraction also. For multiplication, rational number into rational number is equal to also rational number, and that is why it stands for multiplication also. But for division, it do not stand. We have seen it yesterday. The closure property do not stand for division property, right? Under division. Now students, the next property is commutativity. So students, in this word itself, communication you can see. कम्युनिकेशन करना यानी क्या करना, ये ए और बी में अगर कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, ए बी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है और बी ए के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, राइट? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स मीनिंग, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज देयर, कम्यूटेटिविटी. So students, let us see for commutativity. Now for commutative property, or you can say for commutativity, let us see. With some examples we will sort out. Now students, let us see that under addition whether this property holds or not. So students, you know that 3 plus 2 I am going to do now. 3 is a rational number, 2 is a rational number. Now their result is 5, right? Now 2 plus 3. हमने क्या किया? जस्ट एक्सचेंज किया, नंबर्स को क्या किया? एक्सचेंज. 2 plus 3 is also 5, right students? That means what you can say that 3 plus 2 is nothing but 2 plus 3. That means what? If I will write 5 upon 7 plus 6 upon 11, suppose these are two rational numbers, definitely you can say that 6 upon 11 plus 5 upon 7, both are same. So students, under addition, commutative property will be there, right? But under addition, so sorry students. So students, you can see that under addition, the two rational numbers a and b will stand, right? So addition is commutative for rational numbers, we can say. So for commutativity now, we can say that the addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. For rational numbers, of course, for rational numbers. Now students, let us see for subtraction. If I will take these two rational numbers 3 and 2, okay? Now I am going to do their subtraction. 3 minus 2. What will be it? 1, right? Now I am going to do these things. 2 minus 3. Just exchange of numbers. Then you can see 2 minus 3, of course it will be minus 1. But you can see students, 1 and minus 1 are not same. That means what? 3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 3. These two are not equal. That means what? 3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 3. In earlier, you can see for addition 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. But here not equals. Right? That means what? The commutative property under addition, it is okay no matter, but for subtraction it fails. So what can we say? That subtraction will not be commutative. Subtraction will not be commutative. Very simple, students. Addition is commutative. That means what? We can write in this way also. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a, and that is why under addition this property holds. But whereas subtraction, we have seen that a minus b is not equals to b minus a. a minus b और b minus a ये सेम कभी भी नहीं आते हैं. So we know that subtraction will not be commutative for rational numbers. Of course, for rational numbers we are taking all these properties. Now let us see for multiplication, students. We can take the same examples. 5 upon 7 into 6 upon 11. Let us see. Let us take these two values now. 5 upon 7 into 6 upon 11. So what will we get? 5 into 6, numerator into numerator, 30. 5 6 are 30. 7 into 11, of course it will be 77. Now we are exchanging the values. For multiplication we are doing the same. 6 into 5, 30. 11 into 7, 77. So students, it's very easy that under multiplication you can see these two values are same. So I can say definitely, or we can say definitely, that multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Of course, for rational numbers. यानी इसका मतलब ये है स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर मैं बोलता हूं कि a और b, a and b are two rational numbers, so a into b will be equals to b into a. यानी 2 into 3 करो तो भी उतना ही आएगा जितना कि 3 into 2 करो. That means a into b equals to b into a. 2 3s are 6, or you can get 3 2s are 6. So students, multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Now the fourth process remains for division. Now students, very simple example we are going to see here for division. Let us see. Students, 4 और 2 ये सिंपल हम दो नंबर्स लेते हैं. 2 रैशनल नंबर्स, ऑफ कोर्स these are 2 रैशनल नंबर्स. So 4 divided by 2, इसका मतलब क्या है? 4 divided by 2. The answer will be 2. 4 divided by 2, we know the answer will be 2, right? Now students, if we exchange these, now 2 divided by 4. अभी क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? 2 divided by 4. अगर इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, if we simplify this, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So students, यहाँ पर कितना आया? 2, यानी 2 upon 1. यहाँ पर 2 आंसर आया, और ये ये आंसर कितना आ रहा है? हाफ, 1/2. 2 and 1/2 are not same. We know it very well. That means what, students? Division will not be. Division will not be commutative. We can say so. Division will not be commutative. So students, we have seen all these processes, addition to division, for the property commutativity, and we have seen this, and with the help of example we cleared it that under addition and multiplication, these two properties holds, right? That means addition is commutative for rational numbers as well as multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. But for these two processes, subtraction and division, we have seen that we have taken the example. For these two processes, we have seen that subtraction and division will not be commutative for rational numbers. तो ये rational numbers के लिए सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन ये जो है प्रोसेसेस कम्यूटेटिव के लिए होल्ड नहीं करती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर नाउ वी फिनिश द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज एसोसिएटिविटी. This result was for closure property. This result is for commutative property. Now, what about associativity? So students, let us focus over the word associativity. In this word, you can see the word is there, जिसको हम बोलते हैं association. So, what do you mean by association? एक या दो लोगों से एसोसिएशन नहीं बनती है, उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा लोग लगते हैं. लेट अस टेक एटलीस्ट 3 A, B, C. ये अगर हम 3 रैशनल नंबर्स अगर लेते हैं और अंडर दीज प्रोसेसेस लेट अस चेक फॉर द प्रॉपर्टी एसोसिएटिविटी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, I am going to take only 3 values, 3, 4 and let us say 5. Okay, let it be. Now students, for associativity, the first process we are going to check, that is for addition, whether it is going to hold or not. That means what? For addition we are going to check the associative property. So students, first of all, I have taken these 3 values for A, B and C, that is for 3 rational numbers. Now, if I will write these 3 numbers in such a manner, 3 plus, और ये दोनों को हमने ऐड किया, so what will be the answer? 3 plus, solving the bracket, 4 plus 5 9, so 9 plus 3 12 is the final answer, right students? Now students, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि ये दोनों का ग्रुप कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, फर्स्ट 2 का 3 plus 4 और 5 को अलग लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है. पहले मैंने क्या किया, 3 को सेपरेट किया और बाद में ये 4 और 5 को ग्रुप में किया था, एडिशन उनका. अंडर एडिशन वी आर गोइंग टू सी. सेकंड इसमें मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 रैशनल नंबर्स आई हैव टेकन देम इन अ ग्रुप एंड 5 for 5 I am keeping it separately. So 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 as it is, 7 plus 5 is also 12. So it does not affect on the result. You can see here, if three rational numbers, no matter, आप ऐसे कोई भी थ्री नंबर्स ले सकते हो, पॉजिटिव रहे, निगेटिव रहे, like these rational numbers you can take, and ultimately you will find the same result. That means what? If A, B, C are the three rational numbers, so if we add last two first and keeping the first separate will be of course equals to, if I will write in this way, आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो a plus c और बाद में b, no matter, one and the same. So these two, one separate, these two, another one is separate. So still the final result is same. So students, we can say surely that addition is associative. What can we say? Addition is associative. सेम वैसे ही है जैसा अभी हमने कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी में देखा, वैसे इसमें भी कुछ फर्क नहीं दिखता है. So for associativity under addition we see that it holds, the property holds. Now the second one, student, let us see for subtraction what happens. So definitely students, you know the actually result. 3 को मैंने सेपरेट रखा है, ठीक है. अभी इनमें मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहा हूँ, तीनों इसमें. पहले सबसे पहले इन दोनों में रख के करेंगे, ठीक है. 3 माइनस 4 माइनस 5 यानी कितना आएगा, -1, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3 प्लस 1 4 आएगा. ऑफ कोर्स ये बहुत इजी है. इसका यानी हमने क्या किया, सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम देख रहे हैं कि क्या होता है. अभी क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, पहले इनका सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लेंगे, ठीक है, और बाद में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे आखिरी नंबर. अब 3 माइनस 4 क्या हुआ, -1 हो गया. अब ये -5, -1 -5 तो -6 आया. These two end results are not same. So ultimately, students, it's very easy to conclude that if I will write that A, B and C are three rational numbers, so very easily I can say is not equals to the subtraction. Although if we change the group, here in addition no change was there, right? But here if we just ये जो सेपरेट वाला है उसको अलग अलग कर दिया हमने और ग्रुपिंग अलग हो गया, तो इसका जो रिजल्ट है, फाइनल रिजल्ट विल नॉट बी सेम. सो व्हाट कैन वी से, सब्ट्रैक्शन will not be associative. यानी अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन associative property नहीं होल्ड करती है. Now students, the third one, you know the third process, we are going to check for the multiplication. And students, now you easily come to know what I am going to see or what we are going to check here. Under multiplication, see students, 3 separate है, 4 into 5, 4 5 are 20, you know. 3 into 20 now, the result is 60, right? अभी हम इसमें क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 3 और 4 को ग्रुप में ले लेंगे and we will keep 5 separately. First of all, 3 4s are 12 and later on into 5. The result is same. So like addition under multiplication also the associative property holds. So we can say very easily multiplication is associative, and the reason is A इंटू बी इंटू सी इक्वल्स टू ए इंटू बी, और बाद में हम सी को अगर सेपरेट भी रखते हैं तो भी चलता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी सिमिलर things are there, right? No problem. Under addition, subtraction and multiplication we have seen the same result. So students, definitely we can say that if I will do this thing for division, यानी पहले मैंने B और C को डिवाइड किया और बाद में A को डिवाइड किया उसके रिजल्ट से, तो उसका रिजल्ट, और पहले अगर मैंने A को डिवाइड किया B से और आने वाले को डिवाइड किया C से, ऑफ कोर्स दीज रिजल्ट्स विल नॉट बी सेम. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, ये रिजल्ट सेम नहीं आएंगे, ये आपको मालूम है. सो फोर्थ विल बी सेम लाइक कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. सो इट विल बी डिवीजन will not be associative. We can write it very easily. And the reason, students, you know that A divided by, in bracket, B divided by C is of course not equals to A divided by B divided by C. ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है इनके रिजल्ट. So we have, up till now we have seen these three properties: closure properties, commutative property and associative property. Closure property we have seen addition, under addition, subtraction and multiplication it holds, whereas for division it does not. But for commutativity and associativity properties, under subtraction and division these two properties does not hold, whereas for addition and multiplication, you can see these that they holds, right? So students, I hope you understood all these things. Next part of the lesson is, students, now I'm going to erase it first. I hope you understood all these properties properly. Now students, we have to see further properties, but I think it is a much lengthier period up till now. So I want to take, I want to stay here. I want to conclude the today's class. So students, in our next class, we will see the role of 0 and the role of 1, और उसके आगे भी देखेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स के बारे में, वो क्या होता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स में अब तक हमने क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी और एसोसिएटिविटी को क्लियर किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी यू टुमारो देन. हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट्स.